Tired of paying full price for your pizza fix? Let's dive into how to snag some delicious Domino's deals. First things first, head straight to the Domino's website. Check their homepage for any prominent banner ads or promotional offers. Domino's often advertises current deals directly on their site. Click on any that catch your eye to see the details and any required coupon codes. Next, raid your email inbox. Search for emails from Domino's. They regularly send out exclusive coupon codes and special offers to their subscribers. Make sure you're signed up for their email list to stay in the loop. Third, explore third-party coupon website sites like RetailMonot, CouponScum, and others. Collect and share coupon codes for various retailers, including Domino's. Search specifically for Domino's coupons on these sites. Here's a critical tip before getting too excited. Always, and I mean always, verify the coupon code. Many codes listed online are expired or may not work for your specific location or order type. The best way to verify is to try the code directly on the Domino's website or app. When placing your order, enter the code in the designated coupon field and see if it applies a discount. That's it. With a little searching and verification, you can enjoy your Domino's pizza for less. Happy saving and happy eating. Remember to subscribe for more money-saving tips.